First of all, I want to wish you the 51st celebration of KARBI Youth Festival. I am a person who believes in himself, have faith and confidence, dedicated toward his goal and ready to conquer his dream. A very good evening to all the respected judges, my fellow contestants, and to all the lovely people present here tonight. Myself, Sarim Tokbi, I am your Mr. KYF participant, contestant number 9. I am 19 years old from the amazing Foloni town. I am BSc 4th semester student in Bay College, Dokmoka. Talking about my hobby, I enjoy listening to music, exploring online and offline magazine, and I play game too. My aim in life is to become financially independent so that I can stand firm in my own faith. Success comes within practice and hard work. Thank you.
Good evening to honorable juries and to all the beautiful souls present here. I am Minister Timung, your contestant number 18. And tonight, I am proudly representing diverse and vibrant communities of SEMSON constituency, residents of KACHEPATE Timung. My motto in life is to be confident and never giving up. And I truly believe in being confident and never giving up. And all the people present here right now must have these two aspects, that is self-confidence and never giving up. As these two aspects can help to achieve anything in life. I am 18 years old and currently pursuing my ACHATAI second year commerce stream from Don Bosco Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and good evening to one and all present here, respected judges and to all the lovely audience. My name is Johnny Teron, and I am from a very beautiful place of 51st KARBI, Assam. I am 21 years old, and I love cooking, playing football, and traveling as well. Talking about my studies, I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Commerce 6th semester from the Full Government College. And my aim in life is to become a successful businessman. I believe that beauty comes from the heart. And I want everyone to chase their dreams. Thank you so much everyone. Have a great evening ahead.
Hello Taralanso. A very good one evening to respected judges and to all the lovely audience present here. My name is Sanjay Gamsa. I am 20 years old and I am from West KARBI, Hamren. I am here with hope of a positive change, to believe in myself, to have courage to take the first steps and trying to improve myself, empower myself, because I want others to step up, to have belief in themselves. Thank you so much.
Today you are a learner, but tomorrow you will be the leader in this my beautiful judges and my lovely audience. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing team and for my respected judges
for having me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sergeant Kronihan and I am 21 years old young man, your contestant number 6. I belong to a scheduled tribes Karbi community from beautiful place where Karbi Anglong, Jirikindeng, Assam. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, traveling, home arrangements, and also love doing fitness. I did my graduation from Rabindranath Tagore University, Hojai, and now currently pursuing my master's degree at the same university. My aim in life is to become a professor of education. Last but not least, find out yourself who you are and do it on the right purpose. The whole is yours. I hope you all living good with your family members. Stay safe, stay healthy. Kurwang too.
Kardam Taralangso! Apang si non kachepate abang puto anapan imprung sai kondom aman keto aluhi krung sai po mate krung sai pito anapan tabe dilin pen ardigang sama kordom ni aklang pen pajereglo kardom lapen kelang arab do anapan tabe dilin pen ardigang sama kordom pajereglo kardom Nili men thare nirson teron nili rong lakadak difu men sing rong harong pen lape nili ke klem bom asai lake guk mate kitun kadang asai si nili ghatia rong supilong klempon bom lape nili youtube hong jai long same sai jo klempon bom lape nili kemang lapen karhi lake inut lam kan arjan ka chipar jana bang thu lapan sinani tu men chipachi yang tek paklang cek thelo dome thame kardo Good evening to our respected juries and each and everyone present here. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is SEMSON INGTI. I am your contestant number 5. I hail from a beautiful place, Tarabasa. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science, 4th semester at Lamding College, Hojai. My hobbies: teaching, traveling, listening to the motivational speaker, and modeling. I have a joyful personality and I love making connection with the people. I believe it's hard to be a person who never give up. My motto: be together, spread knowledge. Thank you.
Kardam Taralangso! A warm good evening to each and everyone, respected judges, the organizers, and to all my jury members. I am Rajube, representing from West Karbi Anglong, Talangso. Currently 11th standard at SEMSON INGTI from Commerce Stream. I believe that no matter how far you have been coming from, or the struggle you have faced, but never stop having faith, praying to God, and never stop believing in yourself. That is the reason why I'm standing here. Thank you.
Chini ne apram biringwe ladak nang chetong dun man peng kedo dang krung dang sai lapen sarpi sarpu aklimang phar doan phan stame nilihin pen mate indeng phoke praisi Karbi Riso Nimso Rongaje Akadom Paje Riglo